Welcome back to the EarthWise Facts channel. It is time for another fun trivia challenge. Fact or false? For this second episode, the theme is our solar system, which is home to Earth. We got 10 claims, some are true, some are false, but all pretty fascinating. Let's see how well you know your space facts. Ready to test your knowledge? Let's get started. Our first claim is: the solar system has 8 planets. Is it a fact or is it false? It is a fact. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Pluto used to be considered the 9th planet, but it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006 by the International Astronomical Union. This was rather basic, so let's go to the next one. Our second claim is: the Sun makes up about 99% of the mass in the solar system. Is it a fact or is it false? That's right. Almost everything in our solar system is made up of the Sun's mass. If you combined all the planets, moons, asteroids and everything else in our solar system, they would still make up just a tiny fraction of the total mass. This enormous influence is why the Sun dictates everything from planetary orbits to space weather. Claim number 3 is: Mercury is the hottest planet in the solar system. Is it a fact or is it false? It is false. It seems logical that the closest planet to the Sun would be the hottest, but Venus' thick atmosphere acts like a thermal blanket, trapping heat so efficiently that its surface is hotter than an oven on full blast. This greenhouse effect is so extreme that Venus is even hotter than Mercury, even with the fact that it's further away from the Sun. Our next claim is: a year on Jupiter lasts 12 Earth years. Is it a fact or is it false? It is a fact. Jupiter may be the largest planet in our solar system, but it's in a hurry when it comes to spinning. While a year there drags for over a decade, a single day whizzes by in just 10 hours. This rapid rotation also gives Jupiter its characteristic flattened shape. Fun fact: if Jupiter's moons were considered planets, we'd have an even more crowded solar system. Ganymede, the largest, has its own magnetic field, something even our moon doesn't have. And our fifth claim is: Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system. Is it a fact or is it false? It is a fact. Neptune's distance from the Sun, combined with its atmosphere of hydrogen, helium and methane, makes it incredibly cold. Uranus, though slightly closer, is a bit warmer. Both planets are extremely cold due to their vast distance from the Sun, but Neptune stands out as the colder of the two. Claim number 6 is: Saturn is the only planet with rings. Is it a fact or is it false? It is false. Saturn's rings are the largest and most spectacular, but other gas giants such as Uranus and Neptune have rings as well. These rings are made of dust, ice and rock particles, just like Saturn's. And here is a fun fact about Saturn. Galileo's observation of Saturn paved the way for future discoveries, including its faint rings and many other unique features. And claim number 7 is Uranus rotates on its side compared to other planets. Is it a fact or is it false? It is a fact. Uranus orbits the Sun over 84 years, but it does so in a unique way, rolling on its side. Scientists believe this strange tilt could have been caused by a massive collision with another object a long time ago. Because of this tilt, Uranus experiences extreme seasons, with each pole having 42 years of continuous daylight or darkness. Claim number 8. Mars is called the red planet because its surface is covered in red-colored rocks from ancient volcanic activity. Is it a fact or is it false? It is false. Although Mars has experienced volcanic activity in the past, the red color we see today comes from the oxidation of iron-rich minerals on the surface. The volcanic eruptions may have contributed to the landscape, but they did not turn Mars red. It's the iron materials in the soil that gives the planet its distinctive hue. And our next claim is: a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Is it a fact or is it false? It is a fact. Venus has a unique feature: its day lasts longer than its year. Because of its slow spin, it takes longer for Venus to complete a full rotation on its axis than it does to travel around the Sun. This makes Venus one of the most interesting planets in our solar system, with its day and year having an unusual relationship. Venus has a strange rotation that also affects how the Sun appears. Because it spins in the opposite direction of most planets, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. And our 10th claim is: the solar system is moving through the Milky Way galaxy. Is it a fact or is it false? It is a fact. This journey is known as the solar apex, and as our solar system moves, it carries Earth and the rest of the planets through the Milky Way, constantly navigating the vastness of our galaxy. So that's a wrap for today's solar system trivia. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below and hit that like button if you enjoyed the cosmic journey. Be sure to subscribe for more exciting deep dives into space, tech, and Earth's coolest facts. Thanks for watching, till next time!